The blizzard hit faster than the forecast said it would. Wind screaming, snow erasing the road behind me. I found shelter by accident. A small roadside building half buried in snow. The door was already open. Inside, it was warmer than it should have been. Someone was sitting in the corner. I couldn't see their face, just the outline of a person wrapped in a heavy coat. They didn't move when I spoke, didn't even breathe. I told myself they were asleep. The storm raged outside for hours. I stayed awake, listening to the wind and to the slow creaking of the floorboards behind me. When the blizzard finally stopped, I stood up to leave. The door wouldn't open. That's when the figure spoke, softly, right behind me.
It only lets one of us out.